If you are a car rebuilding enthusiast, it is extremely likely that you are familiar with the Goon Squad. The brothers are quickly becoming some of the well-known automotive YouTubers. The two brothers upload at least 3 entertaining videos every week. If you want to know who the Goon Squad are and how they amassed a net worth of $2 million, watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for other exciting videos. The name Goon Squad was coined from goons and quads. It originated from the fact that the YouTube channel was a space for them to upload videos of them having fun on quads and motorcycles. Their first videos were not related to cars, mostly about them goofing around and home construction. The Goon Squad is made up of Eliezer, aka Billy, and Simeon, aka Simon. The duo rebuilds wrecked exotic cars in their garage space. Their oldest brother Alex is in the home construction industry. Even though he is also a car enthusiast, Alex did not want to be a part of the Goon Squad. Their sister, who has chosen to keep her life private, helps them in editing their YouTube videos and selling the Goon Squad merchandise. The brothers are humble and rarely make mistakes. They once made a mistake once in their videos and were quick to admit their fault. Although Simon took a course on automotive repair and maintenance skills for a couple of months, both brothers did not attend college. Despite this fact, they have been successful in their careers and have the potential to expand more. Billy is the brunette while Simon is the blonde. Both brothers have proven to be talented automotive professionals with ability to evolve. Their success at an early age has proven to be an inspiration to male car enthusiasts all over the world. It is no secret that the brothers had humble beginnings. Their parents are originally from Ukraine. After migrating to Chattanooga, Tennessee, their family ran into financial problems a couple of times. Now, their parents are retired and the brothers help the family with the profits they make from their YouTube channel. Their father, who was once a truck driver, is presently a full-time employee of the Goon Squad YouTube channel. The Goon Squad gained fame after one of their early videos went viral. The video gained the attention of many car enthusiasts and in return garnered a lot of loyal fans. The brothers make approximately $100,000 every month, which amounts to almost $1.2 million every year. While that sounds incredible, that is not the highest they make. Surprisingly, they make most of their earnings from selling their merchandise and the restored cars. They put a lot of time and effort into creating and developing their merchandise. Besides running their American YouTube channel, they also run a merchandise shop called the Goon Squad Merchandise Store. They also promote the merch on different social media platforms like Instagram, where they have approximately 500,000 followers. Unlike their counterparts, the boys don't spend wasted time blabbering on their videos. They go straight to rebuilding the wrecked cars. The boys have a net worth of $2 million. Their YouTube channel has a total of 2.43 million subscribers and 664 million views. The channel garners a total of 3,700 new subscribers every day. Unfortunately, the pandemic has slowed down the growth of the channel. Hopefully, their YouTube channel's growth rate will bounce back in a couple of months and keep on increasing. Some of the brands of cars they have rebuilt are Ferrari, Lamborghini, Ford, and Jeep. The boys started off with a 2015 Ford Mustang GT. All they had to do on the car was to replace its fenders, its front side bumper, and adjust some parts of its framework. The 2015 Lamborghini Huracan was one of their toughest challenges, and it got them recognition in the automotive industry. Even experienced professionals find it hard to restore this vehicle, yet the Goon Squad brothers took on the challenge and gained knowledge along the way. It was quite hard to find spare parts for the car, and the brothers had to buy a $38,000 burnt car just to rebuild the Lamborghini Huracan. DF Goblin Kit. Their video of rebuilding this car served as a catalyst for many people to purchase their models. The video was a product of their partnership with Texan company DF Kit Car. Although they later found out that the kit necessary to build the car was missing an engine, they were still able to complete the car building mission. Other sick cars they have worked on include 2009 Honda S2000, 2013 Nissan 370Z, 2013 Subaru WRX, 2015 Ferrari 458 Spider, 2016 Dodge Viper TA, 2017 Corvette Z06, 2017 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, 2018 Dodge Charger police car, 2018 Jeep Trackhawk, 2019 Can-Am Maverick X3, 2019 Ford F-150 Platinum, 2019 GMC Sierra Denali 2500 four-wheel drive crew cab, 2020 Dodge Ram 3500, 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon, Jeep Rubicon. At some point, the boys bought a Robinson R-22 helicopter and were planning to rebuild it. They are planning to fly the helicopter once they have learnt how to operate one. The hardcore builders are not afraid to take on new automotive-related challenges. They have even dived into rebuilding other means of transportation. The boys make their YouTube content and live in their house located on the Tennessee mountains. They have dubbed their living space the Goon Squad headquarters. The $1.4 million house with a massive landscape has 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a huge parking space that comfortably fits their car collection, and a garage where they rebuild cars. Purchased in 2020 with a lot of work yet to be done on it, the Goon Squad headquarters served as a means for the duo to show their fans yet another activity they love to do. This also allows their fans to feel like they are part of the renovating process and know more about the automotive professionals that have captured their hearts. The Christian brothers have decided to stay close to their family. Billy is a married man. He got married at his hometown, Chattanooga, Tennessee, and it has been over 2 years since the wedding ceremony took place. His wife has also chosen to keep her identity hidden. It is amazing how Billy juggles the responsibilities of a husband and that of the Goon Squad. He is the more skilled brother in rebuilding cars. Simon is more skilled in filming and editing their YouTube content. Thanks to his video editing skills and camera works, their YouTube channel has become extremely popular. He is still unmarried. Not a lot of people know this, but the boys were once contacted by a TV production company to have a reality TV show centered about them. The duo turned down the offer. According to Social Blade, the brothers have earned a total of $521,000 through the advertisements they have run on their YouTube channel. With 655 videos uploaded on their channel, it is quite easy to see how it is a profitable venture. The first video on their YouTube channel was uploaded on the 15th of December 2015, and it has no relations to cars. The video that went viral and gained them fame was uploaded on the 28th of May 2016. It was yet another video that had absolutely nothing to do with rebuilding cars. Their first big car rebuild video was uploaded on the 2nd of February 2018. Their early videos were mostly about home renovations, as they were hoping to join their big brother Alex in the industry. However, their enthusiasm about cars caused the focus of their YouTube channel to be shifted to car rebuilding. A lot of people became loyal to the Goon Squad because they are absolutely fearless when it comes to rebuilding cars. Sometimes they have no idea what they are doing. However, they are willing to learn. At the end of their Sunday shows, they love to unbox the gifts sent from their fans. The duo constantly encourages boys all around the world to join the YouTube content industry and develop a successful career for themselves. The Goon Squad brothers do not like to reveal much information about their private life. However, with the little we have on them, it is clear that they are amazing and skilled at what they do. They have fans all over the world that love them so much. Taking a good look at their car collection and the cars they have rebuilt, the love and respect the Goon Squad brothers have for cars is as clear as day. The Goon Squad brothers are great examples of how easy it can be to make money on YouTube with skills and unique content. It is impressive how far they've come within the past few years, and their fans hope the boys grow to greater heights. See you next time!